special devotion to the Divino Rostro started here in during the time when it was given to to make it easier for the devotees to give vent to their devotion and implore the divine intercession of Jesus. During the proclamation of the epidemic, Father Pedro de la More, the Vicar General of the Diocese of Nueva Cáceres, requested Bishop Herrera to enshrine the Holy Picture at the cathedral. As a result of the Bicolanos' great manifestation of their faith, the threat of a dreaded disease was dispelled. They were spared from being stricken by the cholera. This event led to the decision of the Catholic hierarchy to celebrate the feast of the Divino Rostro and it became part of the tradition until today that the Holy Picture was placed on an andas and was carried on the shoulders of the priests to express their faith in the face of the suffering. We once again implore the face of our Savior to spare us from the disease, especially the plague of sin, immorality, and the loss of the sense of God. Now, Viva el Divino Rostro! Viva! Viva el Divino Rostro! Viva! Viva el Divino Rostro! Viva! Let us now sing.